Hello, it's Big Cheds. This is the Trading Encyclopedia Daily Education series on my YouTube at Cheds Trading. You can find me on Twitter at Big Cheds and Bitcoin Live, where I am a founding analyst. For today's lesson, we're going to talk about a double inside bar. You can see a bunch of examples here, a bunch of images of that. And of course, here's the AI overview. You can pause and read this at your own time. But I did select a couple images to show you and an example as well. So an inside bar and then two inside bars, a double inside bar. You have one mother bar, and then you have two candles inside each other. So this first candle is inside the first candle, the entire range of it, right? Not just like a harami with candlestick theory where it's candle body, but the upper and lower shadow are within the range of the prior candle. And then you have another candle after that inside the range of this second candle. And we see here with the open, high, low, and close chart, or a bar chart, you essentially see it as well. You see the open and the close, the open and the close, the open and the close, a double inside bar. And here's another example, right? Calls it a parent bar, generally also usually called a mother bar. Now, this often comes after a move up and some consolidation. So in this situation, you see actually a bearish candle, so it's a move down, and you have essentially some type of a bearish consolidation, more like a bear pennant even forming, where you have this double inside bar action. But here you actually get a bull break, a bullish break. And what you can do to play this is you could take a long on the mother bar's height, the mother bar wick, or even that first inside bar, that wick as well. It's kind of a user choice. I would definitely not use, the first inside bar. I generally actually, the most recent inside bar, I generally actually use this second candle for the wick rather than waiting for the parent bar's wick to be broken. Here's another example, right? A price move up, mother bar, inside bar, and then a breakdown, right? So for me, I'd actually be taking a short on the loss of this candle versus waiting for this candle. So let's look at an example we have here for Bitcoin. This is back 2024. This is on March of 2024. We see now closing in on 2x inside. It's a double inside bar on the daily chart back in March of 2024. Let's go ahead and take a look at what that is and how that played out. We'll go back to March of 2024 and we'll find that double inside bar. There are many examples of this, in fact. It's actually kind of a rather common consolidation, and we'll go all the way back to March of 2024, and we see here Bitcoin closing in on double inside bar. Where is it? Here we go. Sorry about that. Double inside, mother bar, inside bar, and then we actually did a triple inside bar. 1, 2, triple inside bar. So we're starting to do a double inside bar, and then we formed a triple inside bar. Now, this example was actually back on March 1st, which is right here. So we were actually starting to form a double inside bar. We did even more further price compression, and then it continued. Now, most of the time, this will continue. It's kind of like a symmetrical triangle, and you can even draw a symmetrical triangle, which is a prior video lesson, right? A tightening range here after the advance. Symmetrical triangles tend to continue, and here really move up, mother bar, inside bar, and most of the time it's going to continue. You can choose to take a break along on that, and you would set your stop loss on the low of that candle, or you could take a long on the break of the mother bar's candle and set your stop loss on the low of the mother bar. I like using this second candle personally rather than using the mother bar, because you get a little bit smaller range, a little bit easier to manage your risk. But a double inside bar, again, is just where you have a mother bar with one inside candle inside the entire range of the prior candle, and then a second smaller range inside the range of the prior candle. It shows price compression. You should be on watch for a break from this range, and you can use that as a trading signal. This is the double inside bar pattern, and this is for the Trading Encyclopedia Daily Education series on my YouTube at Cheds Trading. Find me on Twitter at Big Cheds and Bitcoin Live, where I am a founding analyst. Folks, thank you so much, and I'll talk to you soon. Big Cheds out.